There's a reason everyone who has money has real estate. On a future video, we'll talk about how harmful renting is, but today we talk about the top 5 reasons why buying real estate is better than buying stocks. Let's dive deep. Buying stocks versus buying real estate. When you invest in stocks, you take a small chunk of money and you try to make an educated guess on which stocks are going to rise. That's a lot like real estate. You take a small chunk of money and you make an educated guess on which properties and areas will grow in value. The number 5 reason that buying real estate is better than buying stocks. Stocks seem to rise and fall on the whim of popular opinion. Your home value is less dependent on what's hip right now because you know what never goes out of style: living indoors. Number 4, companies fail all the time and there's a real chance that your stock can shrink to zero. With real estate, your investment never falls to zero because no matter how much property values can change, you still own the physical property. Number 3, if your stock does make a profit, your gains are based on that small chunk of your own money. With a house, your small chunk of money, the down payment and closing costs, is a fraction of the value of the home. So you're leveraging other people's money, OPM baby. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me. And the value rises based on the total price, not on the small amount you put down. Number 2, there are no tax deductions for buying or owning stock. On the housing side, according to IRS.gov, you get tax deductions for owning a primary residence and even more deductions for renting out a property. You potentially pay less taxes because you own property. And the number 1 reason buying real estate is better than buying stocks. With stocks, you pay capital gains tax on the profit. If you live in the home for at least 2 of the last 5 years, you don't pay capital gains tax on up to $250,000 of profit if you're single, or $500,000 of profit if you're married. That housing exemption to capital gains tax is one of the only ways to make money legally in this country and not pay taxes. Not enough people talk about this. It really is a big deal. If I've forgotten your favorite reason buying real estate is better than buying stocks, let me know in the comments. And please hit like and subscribe so you see our next video of top 5 reasons why buying real estate is better than renting. Buying real estate is easier than most people think, even if you're not ready right now. Working with the right people right now can help you put everything in place to succeed in the near future. I'm a phenomenal realtor, but I'm only a realtor. If you need tax, legal, or financial advice, talk to one of those professionals. I'm Chad Roberts with Realty One. If you have questions about real estate, give me a call.